So in today's video, we are going to be talking about hair care to just keep my hair healthy, well moisturized, well hydrated, and also help my hair color last a little bit longer. Hi guys, it's Magali. I make regular videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle, and today we are going to be discussing hair care at home. The last 12 months or so have been really transformative hair wise. I just kind of took this time to understand my hair, and for a whole decade before that I used to heat style it and I could not manage my hair if I didn't use a straightener or a curler. But last year I realized, oh, my hair is actually wavy. That was kind of a revelation. I pretty much quit Hot Tools. I almost never use them anymore, and I learned to understand what my hair needs. Over the last month and a half now, my hair has been through a lot. If you saw my previous video, which was my May favorites, you may have an idea what I'm talking about. I colored my hair at home like a bunch of times in a short span of time. I bleached it, I colored it once, and then I colored it again, which I don't really recommend, but I enjoy experimenting with my hair. So the last few weeks my hair has gone through a lot and it has shown signs of being extra stressed. The texture did get a little bit drier and frizzier at first, which usually comes with hair color. I also wanted to maintain the vibrancy of my hair color and just prolong it a little bit more, and the products that I already had were just not cutting it. But then I recently got a hold of these new Biolage deep treatment packs. There are actually 3 variants of these packs depending on your specific hair needs, and all 3 have these superfood enriched ingredients that are supposed to be really great for taking care of your hair and addressing specific concerns. The first one is the Smooth Proof pack, which contains camellia and castor oil, and it strengthens and conditions your hair and cuts down on frizz. Second one's the Hydra Source pack, which is especially for people that have dry hair. This one has aloe and spirulina. It moisturizes and softens your hair. And the third one, the one that I have been using, is the Color Last pack, and this has orchid in it, which is supposed to really add vibrancy to your hair color. There's also vitamins K and E to help strengthen the hair follicles and just sort of condition your hair and make sure it stays nice and healthy. So I really like that there are 3 variants that address major hair concerns, so you can pick one according to your specific needs. Although I'm going to be honest and say that I've had frizziness issues, I've had dryness issues. I think that the other 2 also would really benefit me, but right now, since my hair color is fresh, that is my main concern, and that's why the Color Last pack is one that I have been using recently. Using a deep treatment pack is supposed to be 90% more effective than just using a conditioner. Each of these tubes you get 100 ml of product, and it retails for 350 rupees. And now I'm just going to go over a wash day routine when I'm using a deep treatment pack. So I would start with shampooing my hair as per normal, really, and after you've washed off the shampoo completely, you want to just take a little time to squeeze the excess water out of your hair. You don't want it dry, of course, but you just don't want it dripping wet. And then you need to apply this pack in 3 steps. So the first thing you need to do is section your hair. It doesn't have to really be precise, but just grab somewhat small sections of hair and you need to apply this product. After sectioning, which is the first step, you want to go in, gently twist it a little bit, and again, don't do this with lot of force. It is your hair, you want to be gentle with it, but that twisting just helps the product kind of penetrate all of the hair better. Do that for your entire head pretty much, and let it infuse. 3 minutes is enough to see really good results. Don't start by applying it too close to your scalp, because it's more for the mids to lengths of your hair. After you've let the deep treatment pack kind of infuse on your hair for a little bit, just rinse it out, and then you can go continue with whatever you usually do. I like putting in a serum, and then I usually style my hair, because wavy or curly people need to style when it's still wet. I have just loved the results from this. I like doing this routine at least once a week. If my hair is feeling in need of hydration, I will do it more. It's a really good routine for Sundays or something when you just want to take a little time to pamper yourself. Here's a glimpse at my before and after shots. I can definitely feel a stark difference when I touch my hair. In the before, I do have some definition, but my hair was just really rough and kind of crunchy and not great to touch at all. I did not have any softness and I did not have any volume, and after using the deep treatment pack. I think there's more shine, but also it makes me really want to touch my hair. It's just so much like softer. So the Biolage Deep Treatment Pack, specifically this Color Last version, has been really good for my hair, and I really love my results whenever I use this. So I have been turning to use it whenever I want to look and feel a little extra nice, and just like, you know, because my hair is definitely a big part of my look, and since I don't heat style anymore, I want it to kind of be healthy, and when it's healthy and happy, it shows, I think. Since I wash my hair about twice a week, I usually use this every alternate wash. If you feel like you need more hydration, or if you wash your hair more often, you can use this more than once a week. It's just going to give you that added benefit more than a regular conditioner. I think this is a really nice product, especially at its price point also of $350. I think it's quite affordable as well. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description bar if you would like to check it out. And when my hair isn't like freshly colored and stuff, I'm definitely gonna try out the other variants. I am especially looking forward to trying the one for dry hair as well, because wavy and curly haired people just have naturally dry hair, and we could all use that extra bit of moisture, you know. If you have already tried these out, I would love to hear from you in the comments. What was your experience like? And I'm also curious to know, you know, what you've been doing for your hair and skin yourself at home, because since the initial lockdowns like a year ago, I feel like I've become very self-sufficient, and I just pretty much do everything at home until it's really safe to go to the salons again. Like one day going back to salons and having professionals do it for you is going to be great, but until then I'm not really missing the salon experience so much. There are so many amazing home care products like this. It's more convenient, you save your money as well, and you still have really good skin and hair, you know. That's all for today, and I will see you guys next time.